Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll start solving the problems on RFA, that is rent-free accommodation. Mr. X is working as a marketing manager in a company in Mumbai. So why this place is given means, as soon as you see the locality, you should be able to judge the population of that particular place. Mumbai is a locality where there is a population of more than 25 lakhs, isn't it? More than 25 lakhs population is there in Mumbai. So if more than 25 lakhs are there, then we have to consider 15%. That has to be, you should, as soon as you see the question, that thing should come into your mind. Mumbai. Particulars. So they have given certain particulars amount. So office salary for the assessment year 23-24 is as follows. Basic salary they have given 15,000 per month. Bonus, 20% of the salary is given as bonus. Then conveyance allowances, if any conveyance allowances they have given, 2,500 per month. 80% spent on official duty. So in this 2,500, 80% he is spending on official duty. Next, entertainment allowances, 3,000 per month. Employer's contribution to recognized provident fund RPF, it is 15,000 of the salary he is contributing. He has been provided with the house by the company, so company is giving him the house to stay, for which a sum of 1,200 per month is deducted from his salary. So as they have given some house for him to stay, they are deducting 1,200 rupees monthly from his salary. The company pays rent of 6,000 per month for this house directly to the landlord. So this assessee, Mr. X, will not pay the rent. Company will pay the rent on behalf of Mr. X. Compute the taxable value of concessional house to be included in the salary of Mr. X. So Mr. X, okay, whatever the RFA, it has to be shown in the gross salary. So that amount of RFA should be calculated. So you have to calculate the RFA. So write the name of the assessee, assessment year, previous year, and category and place of work. So as the format says, 3 columns you have to take: particulars, amount, and amount column. First, you have to compare 15% of salary or the rent paid, whichever is lesser. So for that, we have to calculate 15% salary. So first we have to calculate salary. So in RFA, you have to consider everything for salary. So in RFA, you have to consider everything except PF. PF you should not consider. Okay. In RFA, you should not consider PF. Apart from PF, basic salary, any bonus given, conveyances, all taxable allowances you have to consider. So basic salary they have given 15,000 per month. So I will do 15,000 into 12 months. Plus bonus they have told. Bonus is 20% of the salary. Bonus is 20% of the salary. So 1,80,000. So 15,000 into 12 if you do. So 15,000 into 12 is 1,80,000. On that 1,80,000 you have to charge 20% bonus. Plus conveyance allowance. So 2,500 was per month, but on that he has spent only on official duty he has spent 80%. So whatever the money spent on official duty will not be taxable. The remaining 20% he has spent on personal work. So only that personal work is taxable. So in case of conveyance, whatever the amount he has spent for official purpose will not be taxable. Whatever the amount he has spent for his personal use will be taxable. Plus entertainment allowances. So entertainment allowances they are giving 3,000 per month. So 3,000 into 12 you have to do. So 15,000 into 12 is 1,80,000 plus 1,80,000 into 20% will be 36,000 plus 25,000 per month into 12 into 20% will be 6,000 plus entertainment allowance 3,000 into 12 will be 36,000. If you add everything, you will get 2,58,000. So now we have to take the 15% of salary. So 2,58,000 is a total salary. into 15%. If you do, you will get 38,700. That is 15% of your salary. That should be compared with rent paid. So here in question they have told that the company pays the rent of 6,000 rupees per month. Company is paying the rent of 6,000 rupees per month. So 6,000 is for 1 month. So we have 12 months. So into 12 you have to do. You will get 72,000. We will get 72,000. Now, out of these two, whichever is lesser, it is taxable. So 38,700 is lesser. So that is taxable. For that, you have to add any furniture cost. Check in the question. Any furniture cost they have told? It is not there. So cost of furniture will be 0. Anything they have hired it? They have not hired any furniture or anything. That will also be 0. Now the next one is if any amount has been deducted from the employer's salary, that has to be subtracted. So they have told that sum of 1,200 per month is deducted. So every month 1,200 is deducted from the X salary. So 1,200 per month into 12 months if you do, you will get 14,400 rupees. 14,400 is the salary deducted from the employee's monthly salary. That has to be subtracted. From 38,700, if you subtract 14,400, you will get the value of accommodation at concessional rent, or it is even RFA, rent-free accommodation. But here they are not giving free, they are deducting certain amount. So we are calling it as value of accommodation at concessional rent. So they are giving the rent at concessional rate. So this is how you need to calculate RFA. Hope you have understood how to calculate it. If you have any doubt, you can please put your doubts in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.